Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If you are looking for something that is non-phone, but you have great attention to detail, this might be just for you. The links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who these job leads would be helpful for, please share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But diving right on in, today's job lead is from the company Escribers. Now, Escribers is normally a transcription company that hires people to transcribe and type what they hear, but they today are looking for somebody to proofread those transcripts. They have 52 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating, and they are hiring what they are calling the Quality Control Team Leader. Now, as a quality control team leader, you're going to join their U.S. operations team. So this is for the United States only. You're going to help support those transcription and reporting departments, making sure that the highest quality product is delivered to the customers across the United States. So you've got transcriptionists that are going to be typing the files, but then you're going to be reviewing them and doing some proofreading. You're going to manage and maintain the quality standards for all U.S. jurisdictions, ensuring the clients receive accurate transcripts in a timely manner, coordinating and overseeing the quality control audits for those independent transcriptionists or contractors, and you'll work with the IT department to help improve the software. So completely non-phone, just proofreading and reviewing these transcripts and making sure they fit all the quality standards before they are released to the clients. Now, they are paying anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $55,000 a year. They also offer paid training and a complete benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, life insurance, and paid time off. One thing to note, this is a full-time, fully remote position unless you live in Phoenix, Arizona or Burtonsville. If you live in any of one of those areas, you'll have to report to the local offices. Otherwise, it's completely work from home. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has great grammar and proofreading skills, great attention to detail, great time management skills, and great communication skills. And you have to have several years of experience working with those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, Outlook. Now, actual transcription experience is not required. It is a bonus and might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but that is not required. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments down below anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.